Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Happy 1st of May, you guys. Cannot believe it's May. Today I don't have a lot of money, guys. I literally have $52 to cash stuff today. Yesterday work was extremely slow. And keep in mind, guys, every day that I work, I always save $40. So $40 plus 52, basically. That's what I made yesterday. So every day I save $40 because I am in a tanda. We're still not done with it. We're almost done. And so I have to pay, basically $200 a week. If you know how that works. So yeah. So everything else that I always have left over is this. So yeah, so I don't have a lot to cash stuff today, you guys. So let's go ahead and just get started. But do know that small amounts do add up. Dylan just woke up. He is sick. Me too. My throat hurts. All right, guys. I'm just gonna add $1 to Alabama Power. I'm not doing much, I'll be honest with you. Just $1 each envelope. Something is something better than nothing. Sometimes it's like that. It's hard. Gas is gonna get $1 too. Emergencies, insurance is gonna get $5. Insurance. Intern is gonna get $1. And rent is gonna get $5. Okay, and you're probably wondering why you didn't add a 20 in rent or something. Well, because I still have, the rest of the month. This is just the beginning of the month, so I still have a little bit of time, hopefully. All right, now let's do the saving challenges. All right, so I do have few priorities, but unfortunately I'm not gonna do those first, and that's okay. And I'm actually gonna add that $20, you guys, here, because I'm getting close to almost being done with this one. Oh, should I add it here or should I just add it to this one? No, hold on. Let me add it instead to Pinocho. Yeah, let me add it to Pinocho because Pinocho is almost there, almost done, you guys. So let me actually just add it to Pinocho. So Pinocho has $12 left, $9 and $20. And this one will save us $120. So yeah, oh my gosh, I didn't take a thumbnail picture. Okay, let me take a thumbnail picture. 3, 2, oh, camera looks funky. 3, 2, 1, cheese. This is probably like the shortest video I will ever post. Oh my gosh, but hey, okay, so yay. So almost forgot about that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's that. Now let's go back to here and let's add that one. Let's add a $10 here. Okay, so $10 here. We're getting close to getting done with that. Oh my gosh, let me actually count how much we need left after this. Let's actually check. We need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120. So 120 to be done with this one. So I'm getting so close, and this is going to be going towards my debt. So I'm excited for that. Okay, so there you have that. And then let's see where I add that $1 bill. So $1 bill is going to be going, I have a few. Should I scratch one of this off? Let me scratch one. Let me scratch one. If we get a 1 or a 2, what will we see? We got a 5, so no. 5 again. We got a 5 again. What's going on? 5 again? It's in between. 3, nope. 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 1, okay. That took forever. All right, let's see. A $4. Yay. Okay. So 1, 2, crispy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How much do we have? Are we gonna complete it? Maybe we can complete it. Hold on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we need 5. No, we are $1 off, so nope. It's okay. Maybe for the next one. Okay, so there's that. Oh my gosh, we're so close. So close. Okay, next. All right, so I'm going to add $8 for my car maintenance. Okay, so $1 for my car maintenance, which I need to be doing hopefully soon, but hope I can save more money for that. So this is for my car maintenance. Trying to stretch my money out. This, I don't remember what it is for, but $1 is probably for my eye exam and glasses, and this is probably like my emergency fund for $1,000. So $1 for that emergency fund. I believe that's what it is. I don't know. And I know this is vacation. So $1 for vacation. Okay, there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick and fun video. Sometimes when I don't have that much money, I don't want to post video. I'm like, why would I? Why? But no, it's a journey. Everyone's journey is different. So that's the journey right there. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you back again tomorrow for Freebie Friday. Can't believe it's already Friday. Like, what in the world? All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you spending your time with me. Your time is precious, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.